So yeah people, we're not going there. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Happy New Year's Eve and Happy New Year when you reach. Congratulations to make it to the end of the year. Cause 2021, I'm sure you will agree with me, was a unique year. But now I'm gonna say the worst year because I know say some people really meet success in a 2021. Check out my Virgin Richard Brown films as devastating as all of what that going on in the country was. I see a whole heap of success in 2021 and this year. And myself, I see one whole heap of success in terms of growth. I know that I'm my thing. Meet one whole heap of people, one whole heap of experience, learn one whole heap of things, and make it to the end of the year. Enough people dead, enough people know make it to December 2021, December 31st, 2021. So half grateful for that. So I don't know about on New Year's resolution them. I don't call this a resolution, but going into the new year, full-length movies are one of the things them where I go focus on. So much so that I created a movie channel. I'll put a link in the description and in the pinned comments. You can click on it. There's a first episode to a series over there already, so you can check it out, watch it, subscribe. Yeah. And I don't know, during the course of the year I always tell them say subscribe, and because I do short movies and I don't like it, and I say Larry, I need to make things longer. And me here, I want to make them longer, but the thing I have to bear in mind is that you go places and you get people, them are going to want money because people understand YouTube these days, so them are going to want money. So that's one of the things we can, slow down things there, make I can go say, I come and help me out for a day. Because with movie making, it's not like a one day thing. If you rush it, it's not going to be very entertaining, you see me? Or you just do one short film thing where we get people to watch the video until a certain time. So YouTube algorithm and all that. But I've been making those short films. I say support the thing until I can afford to make some full-length movies. So I want to show my support, and for that I'm grateful and thankful. Experience everything I'm thankful for. So going into next year, that will be one of the focus for that movie channel over there. But over here, I still going to do more I want to do during the course of the year and try to make it better. So yeah, that's what this video is about. Thanking you guys, showing some appreciation for Father God for help we and give you strength to make it throughout the year. Things tough, we know. As we say, one whole heap of things going, but still I hold it, still I be strong. Continue to support, continue to help me to do me enjoy and entertain you guys in return. Win-win situation. So yeah. Remember to go subscribe to the movie channel, and for your first time over here, so definitely subscribe. Please subscribe. Please. Yes. This channel over there. So Richard Brown Films, for your first time come over here. Put a link in the description to do some movies over there myself, Like a wannabe actor, Yeah. Anyways, big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Ackeen. Soon, 2022.